So today we are going to be putting the trade on Bybit. You can also use Binance, you can use OKX, Mexi, or any exchange. So to do this, we are also going to be connecting our exchange to our TradingView account. Then after that, we can see the capital that we are having. Then we'll take the trade. We'll be calculating the P&L too. So to do this, you come to the TradingView website. You can see I'm on tradingview.com. Then you go to the product section, click on super chart. So when you click on super chart, this is the current trade that we took last week. You remember I always tell you guys, the strategy that we are using, no matter what, the trade will go in our favor. You just don't over leverage. Once you don't over leverage, you are going to make a lot of money. So you can see this trade is now going in our favor, and this is just the beginning. So for me to actually take this trade, I'll click on the maximize panel down below. I don't know if you can see it at the right hand side where my mouse cursor is. So if I click here, then these are all exchanges and brokers, but because we are trading crypto only, we are going to either select Bybit, OKX, or Binance. So I am going to take the trade on Bybit, so I'll just click on Bybit. Now when I click on Bybit, I'll just click on connect my Bybit account to my TradingView account. The reason why I even like TradingView is they will show you the capital that you are having inside your Bybit spot or your perpetual futures, your derivatives. So on Bybit they call it derivatives. So you can see they said total equity 0, margin balance. Margin balance is maybe you take a trade and the amount that is left. So what I'll do is, if I am going to take this trade, let's say I want to sell BCH, I'll click on the symbol search, then I'll now type in BCH.P. okay, once I click .P, then I'll select crypto. So we are trading on Bybit, so you see we'll select Bybit perpetual futures. So I'll click on this one. Now I'm going to add my entry price. So to do this, I'll click on the forecasting and measurement tool, short position, come and put it here where my entry is. Now my take profit is around the nearest support level, then my stop loss is at the resistance zone. My target is usually 1:3. okay, I've already done analysis on this trade, that's why I'm just putting things in order. So now that when you do this, we need to transfer money into our Bybit derivatives account. So let's go to our Bybit website. Then you can see this is my Bybit. If you want to come here, just click on trade portal, you click on features. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just click on the available balance. So you scroll down, we have deposit, convert, and transfer. Click on transfer. So when you click on transfer, now we are going to transfer like $100. Okay, so I've just transferred $100. So you can now see my margin balance is $100. If we go back to TradingView, that's the same thing that we'll see. So you see TradingView 100, total equity is 100. Now they said trade. This is the capital that we have. This is the unrealized P&L. So if I open a trade right now, it will show me my unrealized P&L. Okay, so I'll double click here, then I'll enter my capital that I have on Bybit. So we have $100. Then we are risking 2%. Have you seen this? Then we have our entry price. This is our take profit 348. Our stop loss 457. Okay, Bybit account. Then I'll click on the coin at the top left hand side. I don't know if you can see my mouse. Then I'll enter BCH. Then you select the one with the perpetual. Okay, always select the one with the perpetual features. So I select BCH. Now if you check at the right hand side, we have a place we call the order book. So the order book contains the buyers and sellers. Okay, so this place, if you sell BCH, you come to the top, the red people, they are selling. If you buy BCH, they will put you at down below. So that's why I'm always telling you that if you are in Nigeria, or you are in Canada, or Australia, or Dubai, or Ghana, and you are taking a trade, don't think you are the only one trading. Someone somewhere is also deciding the direction. Okay, so now that you know order book, now here is order box. So the order box contains the actual trading dashboard, what you are going to be using to take the trade. Now here we have limit order. Limit order, you want to take the trade at a specific price. So maybe we think when BCH reaches $450 is going to go down, so we'll put our entry price at $450. Then we can now drag our quantity here to 2%. Okay, 2% of $100 is $2. Do you get what I'm saying? Have you seen the quantity? It's very important you observe the quantity. So have you seen the quantity? 0.73. Okay, now we are using market orders. We want to enter the market right now. We are thinking BCH will fall, so we are entering the market right now. So I'll change the limit to market. Then we have cross margin, leave it the way it is. Then with the leverage, we'll bring it down to customize. Then we'll select 25x. Okay, come with 25x. Then you confirm. Now we'll click on TP/SL. Remember, we have our take profit and stop loss. So I'll go back to my TradingView, then I'll copy this as my stop loss. So if BCH decide to go up and reaches a price of 457, we are going to lose an amount from our account. So we have 457, right? We are going to lose $5. But if BCH goes to the take profit is 348. So 348, we are going to make $17, meaning you are risking $5 to make $17. This is how you should be looking at trading. So even if I lose 2 trades in a row and I win 1 trade, it's going to cancel my loss. Do you get it now? And the most important thing is the quantity. Don't over leverage. You see, I'm using 25x. This 25x is going to be multiplied by the amount here that I'm using to invest, the cost. So meaning $2 times 25. That's now the quantity that you are using. So some of you, whether you have $1,000, 10,000 or 500, you are trading, don't go beyond 2% because you are using leverage of 20, 50. Some of you even go up to 100x. So imagine if the trade doesn't go straight into profit, you are in deep loss. So avoid this. Okay, now for me to sell it, I'll first click on the P&L calculator. Like I told you guys, I'm going to help you with. We are going to sell the coin, so we'll click on short BCH. We are going to enter the leverage that we are using. So with the leverage, we are using 25x. Then we have our entry price. So the entry price is 430. Then our closing price. So our closing price, let's enter the stop loss for now. So stop loss is 457. Quantity is 0.72. Okay, they are saying if this trade doesn't go well, we are going to lose $19. You get it now? Have you seen? I want you to observe something at the profit and loss section. Okay, minus $19. Now we are going to put our take profit inside 342 or something. Let's go back to TradingView to see our take profit. So our take profit is 348. So 348. You see, so if this trade goes well, we are going to make $59, meaning we are risking $19 to make $59. So I already calculated. This is what I usually call the P&L calculator. So you enter the figures. If we are supposed to be buy, we'll click on long, but because we are selling, we'll click on the short position. You can even calculate your target price and your entry price. Okay, now that you know this, then you click on short. So when I click on short, the trade will appear at the open orders section here. You see the open orders positions here. So the position shows the active trade. We have the P&L showing the unrealized profit. Okay, don't use TradingView to take the trade. I could have decided to just use TradingView. Then I'll just do what? I'll just click on the sell button, but don't do that. You see, I've entered the trade and they said my unrealized PNL is 0.12. So this is my capital. This is the amount that I've invested in the trade. So there is no way I'll be liquidated if this trade goes against me. I'll only lose $19. And if it goes in my favor, I'm going to make $59. So this is how you are going to be doing the trading. Not just get up midnight and start entering trade. So now that you know this, if I want to close the trade, I'll just click on market. So what I want you to also observe here is, anytime you enter a trade, look at your margin maintenance or margin ratio. You see my margin ratio is 3.59%. If you ever enter a trade and your margin ratio is more than 10%, close the trade and take it again. The reason why I'm saying this is you are speeding, and if you are speeding, very soon you crash. So for us to avoid liquidation, let me tell you, the way crypto is unpredictable. This coin is currently at $429. The next hour it can be at $200. It's possible in crypto. The next hour it can be $500.